We're back for the second day on the Craftsman LT1000. We had to wait for some parts to show up. They're here. Let's see if we can wrap this project up. Let's drop the cutting deck all the way to the ground. We're going to need some light to shoot the video underneath the mower. So let me crank up my survival flashlight. Okay, we're going to spray some lubricant on the pivot for the blade engagement mechanism. And then I'm going to work this pulley back and forth to make sure it's free. The blade disengagement spring is missing, so we got a replacement. We'll go ahead and install that first. One end of the spring goes in a slot on the pivoting bar for engaging the blades, and the other end stretches out and goes into the slot in the mower deck. Now we're going to remove the fuel tank mounting screws and set the fuel tank aside. Somebody put a thumb screw in this side. I guess they lost the bolt. And the bolt on this side isn't even tight. We'll just spin that out. And lift the fuel tank up and set it aside. Now we're going to install a new cutter blade engagement cable because the old one is broken off. The plastic clip that attaches this cable to the engagement bar is broken off. Here's what the plastic clip is supposed to look like. And if you look right here, you can see the upper end of the cable is held in with this spring clip. The lower end of the cable is held in with this locking clip. And here's the tension spring. Pull the new cable up from the bottom, feed it through the hole in the frame, push the new clip into place. That's a round hole.
They sent a square peg. Unbelievable.
Like butter. Remove the spring clip that retains the cable. Remove the spring. Make sure the washer stays in place. Pull the old cable out of the way. We'll install the new cable. Put the locking clip back in place. Put the spring in place and install the locking clip. Okay, let's see if the blade's engaged now. Try it one more time. Yeah, that looks good. The belt's got some wear on it. Probably gonna have to put a new belt on soon. Don't forget to add the cable tie to keep the new cable away from the pulleys. It runs, it cuts grass, and it's getting dark. So we're gonna put the new headlights in and then put this one in the wind column.